Chapter 05 Kural 01. Welcome back to our enlightening journey through Thirukkural, the ancient Tamil literary masterpiece. In this episode, we delve into Chapter 5, exploring the wisdom encapsulated in Kural 1. A good family person is one who supports all three relationships in a balanced and righteous manner. Namaste and greetings to all our viewers. Today, we embark on a captivating exploration of Chapter 5 of Thirukkural, which delves into the essence of being a good family person. Join us as we unravel the profound teachings of Thirukkural on balancing and nurturing relationships within the family. Chapter 5 of Thirukkural celebrates the integral roles of parents, spouses, and children within a family. Thirukkural reminds us that being a good family person involves supporting and nurturing these three vital relationships in a balanced and righteous manner. Let us now delve into the profound teachings of this Kural and understand the essence of being a good family person as envisioned by Thirukkural. Thirukkural emphasizes the importance of maintaining a harmonious balance between the roles of a son or daughter, a spouse, and a parent. Being a good family person means fulfilling these roles with love, respect, and righteousness. Thirukkural's teachings guide us to be supportive and caring towards our parents, honoring their wisdom and seeking their well-being. Simultaneously, we are encouraged to cherish and nourish the relationship with our spouse, creating a partnership built on love, trust, and mutual respect. Thirukkural reminds us of the importance of being responsible and nurturing parents. We are called to provide a nurturing environment for our children, imparting moral values and guiding them towards righteousness. Balancing discipline with love, we instill in them the foundations of a virtuous life. Thirukkural's wisdom teaches us that being a good family person is not about favoring one relationship over the others but rather nurturing and supporting all three in a balanced manner. It is through this equilibrium that we create a harmonious and thriving family unit. As we reflect on Chapter 5, Kural 1, we are reminded of the profound significance of balanced and righteous relationships within the family. Thirukkural's teachings guide us to be loving, supportive, and respectful in our roles as children, spouses, and parents, fostering a strong and harmonious family bond. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey through Thirukkural. May the teachings of this ancient text inspire us to be good family persons, upholding love, respect, and righteousness in all our relationships. Stay tuned for more captivating episodes as we unravel the timeless teachings of Thirukkural. Until next time, may your family be a source of balance, righteousness, and everlasting love.